Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. First things first, you want to click on the Start button and type Update in the search box. Then, you want to choose Check for updates from these suggestions. After that, you will notice that Windows Update settings will open. So, once you are here, you want to click on Check for updates. Okay, if updates are available, Windows will download and install them automatically. So, if that happens, you want to restart your computer after the updates. Meaning, problems like fixed USB device can only be fixed by updating your device. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.